Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to hide videos in MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook. Now when you open it, you'll have a lot of course icons and everything that you own of course, but now let's see how you can actually go and hide videos in MacBook. So you can hide videos on MacBook in several ways depending on how private you want them to be. First of all, you can go and hide them in photos. So I'll not be opening my photos because of my privacy reasons, but when you click on F4, here you can of course go and find your Photos app. So just go and type in Photos, and this is the one that you need, the one underneath Photoshop here on my screen. Go to the Photos app as I told you, and then select the video you want to hide, click Image in the menu bar, choose Hide Photo, and click Hide to confirm. And that's how you can do it the fastest way. The video will be now hidden and it will be under control for you, that you can of course, the only one that you can of course go and put it in. You can of course put in your password so that nobody can enter and nobody can see the video that you have just of course obviously hidden for your own reasons. And that's how you can do it in no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.